Just imagine their greatest ever sight.
Greg throws it out to Giggs, and Giggs pushes the ball inside to Crayer, and a header back to Styles. Styles forward to Johnny Carey, now to Charlton. Oh, a long one, way out to Giggs, a beautiful pass. Giggs now with that lovely footwork into Violet. Violet now switching the play over towards this right wing, and he finds Coppell. Coppell. He's got Charlie Mitten in front of him, and he finds Mitten with that lovely side foot pass. Dennis Law beats one. He beats two. Now here's Best to Giggs. And Best knocks it down, shoots, and it's hit the bar. Charlton now. Giggs. Giggs trying to find space. And now he found it. Oh, what a beautiful goal!
Their greatest ever sight. Giggs would be in it.